This tutorial will guide you how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. Make sure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, also open Roblox, whether on your browser, but I prefer to use a browser. So if you're on PC, make sure to open a browser. If you're on mobile, make sure to allow desktop site to view it on browser. Now select here on avatar. Then on avatar, select accessories. Now let's say you want to equip multiple accessories like this head, face, neck, shoulders, and others. So you'll select your head. Now on the head, we have a cap here. So if you want to equip it, you can just select here on advanced. Now let's equip multiple accessories. So you'll have to open it in a new tab. So it will open in a new tab just like this. So once it opens on a new tab, you'll have to copy this, which is ID. This is a product ID, also known as asset ID. So make sure to come here on the advanced, on the asset ID, make sure to paste this. So paste this, also open another accessories in a new tab, which is this one, orange shades. So you'll have to copy this asset ID and then paste it here. Also, you can open this necklace in a new tab. Also, you can copy it, this ID, only copy the ID and then paste it here. So make sure you open multiple tabs if you want to allow multiple accessories, and then copy those ID, which are this one, and paste it here on the asset ID, and then click save. It will ask you, are you sure you want to override your current look? Just select save. And then you can close this. You can see now multiple accessories have been equipped on my avatar. So it's very easy. You just need to select here on advanced, and then on the advanced options, make sure to paste the asset ID, and the asset ID are opened by coming here to the accessories, choose the one that you want, for example, like neck, and then double click on it, just right click on it and then select open link in a new tab, and then copy the ID that you see on the top here of your link. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.